Hi guys, welcome to the first Städler Made lunch session. This is a video where I'm gonna experiment with food, play with fire and try to make a delicious meal for the Städler Made team. Today we give our own twist on a traditional focaccia. Okay, so I made this dough 3 days ago. It's been cold fermenting in the fridge between 4 and 7 degrees Celsius. So as you can see, a lot of air in there, a lot of beautiful bubbles. I'm gonna pop them because they will burn and you'll get huge black blisters on your pizza. Because it's such a heavy pizza, in this case I'm already gonna put it on the peel. I think we'll start with an easy one with some tomato sauce, artichoke hearts. You can never have enough Parmesan cheese. Because there's a lot of air inside, the pizza wants to rise up like a bit like a balloon. So what you can do is press down with your fingers into the pizza so it will stay more flat. And you should not be scared of getting some dirty hands right now, because that is part of the game. A bit of oil. Okay, always do the wiggle test. Wiggle, wiggle. If it's not wiggling, don't even start. Temperature is now at 100 degrees Celsius. I would like it for a focaccia to have it a little bit higher, maybe around 150. Pretty happy with this one. Pizza number 2. Get rid of a little bit of that flour, it's a bit too much. I do want to get some flour underneath so it doesn't stick later on. Some cherry tomatoes, some rosemary and some salt. This is really a rookie mistake, is to have a dirty peel, because once it's wet and dirty, everything will stick to it and you won't be happy. You have to be always there when you're cooking with fire. You want to try to get as consistent as possible, but you know, it's fire, it's nature, so you need to play with it. So what you see that's happening now is that the fire is traveling up and the flames are traveling over the pizza, giving a lot of top heat, giving that crust a beautiful color. Pizza number 3. Beauty. This is a bit of an experiment. 70% whole wheat and then 30% white tipo 00 flour. Ooh. Feels good. Okay, so if you don't have a thermodor or you're just a bit lazy, what I do sometimes is that you have a lot of heat in the back, right? So especially when you're making a high heat pizza, sometimes what I do is quickly keep the peel on there. Just keep it on there for like, I don't know, 10 seconds. And this way the front of the pizza already starts to cook a little bit. That's better. The grand finale, we put on an egg. Yeah, cozy together. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Ow. Fuck. Guys, we finished all the pizza. It was delicious. I'm gonna wrap it up for today. We're gonna continue making little Städler Made lunch sessions every 2 to 3 weeks. So if you have any ideas for a nice recipe that we should cook on the fire pit or an outdoor oven, let me know and see you next time. Peace!